We value openness. We value choice and transparency for our customers, and certainly we've done a lot of work in terms of interoperability, open standards, and working with the open source community. We might not be perfect today, but we are taking the commitment as a company.
Obviously, our culture has changed a lot over the years. Open source is not the enemy. It is actually a good partner in delivering value on top of our platform.
Microsoft has really invested and continued to invest a lot of effort and technology in terms of bringing in all the communities on the open source side to work better with our platform.
Many others in the open source communities are realizing how we are more open than what they thought, and how that is not just a perception that's changing, but again, it's backed by fact.
Hundreds of thousands of hardware and software developers are building their business on Windows. And all of this is made possible by our support for standards and interoperability.
We've been working on interoperability for many, many years in the Office division. We think it's so important to our customers. We hear the message loud and clearly. They want to make sure they understand how we work with other systems, and we're trying to do everything we possibly can.
You see, that's what's interesting. We have, when we build products, we have customers in mind. We understand it has to be deployable, it has to be manageable. We think about compatibility. And we get to balance here at Microsoft cutting-edge innovation and technology, interoperability with standards, and the secure development lifecycle.
The goal is very simple. It's to enable a customer, whether at home or in a car or in an office, to pick up a device, to use a computing platform, and simply know that it works the way they want. And it's that kind of end result that we're committed to using standards and interoperability to enhance and achieve.
We fundamentally believe it's an open world. The cloud starts with openness at all layers of the stack.
And when you look about the next phase of the industry, moving to the cloud, we are even more committed as a company to really provide choice and transparency.
We believe firmly that we want all developers to come to Windows Azure. To do so, we got to support Windows, of course. We got to support PHP, we got to support Java, all first class. To do it right, you got to be open.